Hello guys, today we talk about how to make a thumbnail for YouTube. So let's get started. First I have to go to a browser, open a browser. I'm go to here and search in here thumbnail for YouTube. And as you can see this first link, Canva. So I open this and then go to start design a YouTube thumbnail. Click here and I already log in, so you have to log in there first. And as you can see this page it comes here. And now what you have to do? Here is the different option. If you want to add element, so here the different element is given. And if you want to upload some profile pic or some pic, so picture, so you have to go to here and select the upload file. Uh, okay, and select the picture and open. So here it comes the picture, and then you have to use this. Okay, and if you want to add the text on your thumbnail, so you have to if you want to adding a big heading, so you have to select click here and then add this. And if you want to add a sub heading, then you have to select this. Okay, so and if you want to using a background, so like I'm using some background like this, not good. Okay, it's pretty good. Okay, like this. Okay, let we use this now. Now I want to use some text. For that I'm using this text. So I have to go to here and I make this thumbnail for a video image in HTML. So I write here image in HTML. Okay, and then I have to increase the size of this. Select this and Control A, then increase the size. Okay. Now it's good. Now you have to. Okay. Now I want to add some images. I want to add an image, so I have to click here. Okay. I already have to upload the image. If you are not having here images, so you have to simply go to here and upload file and select the picture and upload here, and then simple click here and your picture comes here. Okay, now I want to select this image and put here. Okay, now I want to add some adding, to go to here and image src and it's equal to image dot png, whatever your file name, put here and alt it's equal to. And here if your file or your image is not loaded, then you have to and you want to show the some text over there, so write here image name something. Okay, and width it's equal to 20%. Okay, you can take also in pixel and give the height is equal to something 40% and close the tag. Okay, now I want to increase the size of this. You have to go to select Control A and increase the size. Okay, now you have to select this and put here. Okay, now it look good. And if you are thinking how you have got the idea how to make this and what you write here, so like suppose I'm making a video image in HTML. Okay, so you have to go to here and search here image in HTML. Okay, as you can see this lots of videos comes here. So you can see this is using HTML, learn HTML, insert like something. This is the thumbnail of thumbnail of that particular video. So you can take the idea of this and you have to make a different thumbnail. Okay, like this you have to have a simple idea HTML image link. Okay, so here our thumbnail is ready. So now you have to go to here this section, share section, and scroll down and go to here download. Click here and click here save download setting and download. As you can see this is downloading. So it's downloaded. Now you have to open this. So as you got here, this thumbnail is comes here. As you can see this, our thumbnail is ready. So I hope you understand these things, how to make a thumbnail in uh, for your video on YouTube. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching video.